Guys, this is the directions for your major grade activity. Now remember to use your notes and take your time with the activity. Make sure you're doing your work on a piece of paper, and I'll kind of show you what that should look like, and make sure you submit your work, otherwise you get no credit. You get 2 attempts. Now if you're in first or second period or third period, your assignment is due at 4:15 p.m. on Thursday, or if you're 5th, 6th period or 7th period, your work is due on Friday at 4:15 p.m. So make sure you do it on time, and you can always finish it early if you want to get a head start. So I want you to think about this activity kind of like a game board, okay? So it starts right here at this top corner, and then it goes all the way around just like that in a U shape. Now underneath it, we have all these different cards, okay? So let me explain what the cards mean. On the left side is your answer to the previous problem, and then what's in the next part of the card is the next question. So for example, we're going to start with our start card. And the question says, what is the solution to the addition problem below? So I want you just to calculate that and get your own answer, okay? Now, what I would do is first, I would put this as my first card. So everyone's going to go ahead and put that as their first card. Now notice it gets really small, so it might be hard to read once you put it there. So let's say, for example, my first card, that answer was -12. So I'm going to look over here, do I see -12 on any of these other cards? And yes, I do. That means this is the next card I'm going to solve. Now, before you drop it on the game board, work it out, because it's going to get really tiny and hard to read. So I'm going to work it out on my paper. Now, if you look at your paper, and you can kind of see it on mine, I'm going to do the first one, show my work, and then put my answer. So -12 will lead me to the next question. Now, these are not the right answers, don't believe it. And then from there, I'm going to do my work, get my answer, and it's going to lead me to my next question. All right? So from there, let's say -12 is the next one. So I'm going to take -12, and from there, I'm going to click on it and drag it. So you have to hold it, click it, and drag it, and then place it on your game board. So let's say I did that second question, and I got 11 as my next answer. Then I go ahead and solve it on my paper, and then click and drag it onto my board. Because 11 was the answer to the previous question, -12 was the answer to the previous question. You're going to go all the way around your game board, and you should end with this end card. So 7 should be the answer to your last problem, okay? Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on the number 2, click next, and then upload a work or a picture of your work clearly into the assignment. If you don't have a picture of your work, you will not get full credit. All right, guys? So best of luck. Take your time, use your notes, and of course, you got this.